Subtracting integers. So here, we also have a different rule to follow when we subtract integers. But one thing that makes it easier, we can actually rewrite subtraction into addition. So how will we do that? Always remember, subtracting an integer is the same as adding its opposite. So for example, if we have 3 minus 5, we can keep the 3, but we can change rather subtraction to addition, and then identify the opposite of the 5, which is negative 5. So I repeat, 3 minus 5 is the same as 3 plus negative 5. So let's try to practice changing subtraction to addition. So we have here negative 5 minus 10. The first number is negative 5, subtraction becomes addition, and we have here positive 10. So 10 is not negative here. We're considering this as subtraction and not as a negative sign for the 10. So 10 is positive. So that would be negative 5 plus negative 10. From 10, its opposite is negative 10. How about if we have 12 minus negative 2? It is just the same as 12 plus the opposite of negative 2 is positive 2. So now what happens after we change subtraction to addition? So we just have to follow the rules in adding integers. So let us have an example. We have here negative 2 minus 6. So 6 here is positive and its opposite is negative 6. So this one can be we can rewrite this as negative 2 plus negative 6. And then remember the rules in adding integers. The two integers here are both negative, so meaning adding integers with same signs. First step is to add the numbers or ignore the signs. So 2 plus 6 is 8. And then keep the same sign. Both are negative, so that means our final answer is negative 8. How about 5 minus negative 4? So it's negative 4 in here, and its opposite is positive 4. So that would be the same as 5 plus 4. And then follow the rules in adding integers. Both are positive, so add the numbers by ignoring the signs, or you can think again of it as adding the absolute value of each numbers. And then keep the same sign. 5 plus 4 is 9. Both are positive, so positive 9. Okay. And here, we have another example for subtracting integers, but we have negative 3 minus negative 7. Opposite of negative 7 is 7. So, copy negative 3, change subtraction to addition, and then opposite of negative 7 is 7. Since they have different signs, that means that we follow the rules in adding integers with different signs, where we subtract the numbers by ignoring the signs, and then keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So the absolute value of 7 is 7. Absolute value of negative 3 is 3. Subtract them, that would be 4. The absolute value of 7 is 7, and the absolute value of negative 3 is 3. But 7 is greater than a 3, so the sign of 7 should be followed, which is a positive. So the final answer is positive 4. Okay, so here, here is a summary of the rules in adding, subtracting integers. So first, subtracting an integer is the same as adding its opposite. So that would be possible by rewriting subtraction as addition. And then just follow the rules for adding integers.